I was still an apprentice when the Green Knight came to the NYMR back in 1998. I was still learning my trade, getting to know how to restore these fabulous beasts. I can think of all the stages in the previous work it's done, of stages in my life as well. When we went down and did the Olympic torch run from Whitby and we took it through to Pickering, I was on the footplate firing the engine, and that was a really nice moment in actually being part of something significant.
You had some cracking days on it. It really is an engine you look back fondly on with your memories.
My mum got a fridge magnet of the Green Knight. Having it sat on my fridge ever since way back when, I never thought I'd be able to work on the Green Knight, but I have done.
So here we are, 𝙎𝙊𝘾𝙄𝘼, and I know it's looking a bit sorry for itself now, but when I look at an engine like this, I just look forward to the future and think how we can get it back to being a shining, nice, useful engine to haul our services. It's one of our engines that has run up and down to Whitby, and that's really important. It will do anything we need, pull as many carriages as we want, and it's a really good engine, popular with crews, it's popular with fitters. If I could have a steam engine to run on the NYMR, I'd have a fleet of these. When we restore an engine like this, we take it back down to the airframes and we'll clean it all up. And if there is any parts that need replacing, there isn't somewhere I can go that just provides them parts, and we've got to get on and actually manufacture them ourselves. And that might be castings, we've got to find the drawings, we've then got to find someone to machine it all up. And that's why these restorations take a long time. The chassis itself actually is in really good mechanical order. The major work that we need your help with is with the boiler. The boiler needs significant work, including a new firebox, and that doesn't come cheap. And in total, we're looking about £400,000. There's a huge amount of work to do, a lot of material, but it'd be really great in this 200th anniversary year of the railways to try and aim and push to get £200,000 towards 𝙎𝙊𝘾𝙄𝘼. That'd be a dream, and we can really crack on with it then. That's the thing that's holding us back. We've got the people, the resource, we just need help with funding this project. And if you can help, please, we need your support.
The Green Knight project, as well as all our projects on the shed, are really important to us and the railway for the future of the railway. We have a good team of fitters, engineers and apprentices and volunteers, and it's an opportunity for everybody to get involved, learn new skills, and that's obviously the future. We need to bring on the younger people and the younger teams and educate them in the ways of how to rebuild the locomotive.
We're very keen to train the next generation on this engine and during this restoration. That's vital for the future. They'll all have an active involvement in getting this back up and running again. Just like I did as a young man, you know, I learned on this engine, and people will continue to learn on this engine, and ultimately then be able to put it out into traffic for everyone to enjoy and have a ride to the seaside.
Throughout my apprenticeship, this was always the regular engine in traffic, so I done quite a bit with this. I learned quite a lot of my trade.
When the day that it does turn a wheel again for the first time, it'll be triumphant.
Gives you an enormous sense of pride, really, I suppose, when you see them actually working once the job's finished. It's a big part of the railway, really.
A great sense of achievement, so hopefully you'll be a proud day when you see this engine work again on the North Yorkshire roads.
It's absolutely vital that we crack on with this, because we need this engine back up and running again to support our Whitby services when other engines like Repton and Eric Tracy come out of boiler ticket. We need this one ready to go. So please, if you can help with this campaign, come and support us to get this fabulous engine back up and running, heading back to Whitby again, where it and you want to go.